This video will show you how to create a user-defined data type, that is UDT. So select blocks, right-click, then you select data type. The big advantage of using a UDT when you have a similar kind of a code as far as your DBs are concerned, like your pump motor controls, you have pump number 1, 2, and 3, pretty much the similar kind of a logic, like start command, stop command, overload, etc., etc. So the data structure you created only once in a UDT, and then you create multiple DBs or a single DB and call the UDT multiple times as per pump 1, pump 2, and pump 3. So select data type, which is nothing but UDT, give a name, say UDT1, symbolic name HMI to PLC commands. Now double click UDT1. Previously, I have selected the data structure from one of the DBs. I already copied it, so let's paste it here directly instead of typing all individual binary commands, or it could be analog, it could be anything. So here it goes. We have all the commands available here: pump 1, off, pump, valve on, push button, etc., etc. Let's save it and close it. Now let's create a new data block. Say for example, of course not DB1, but say DB55, and let's give a symbolic name to it as test underscore UDT. Save it. Open up now this newly created DB as a DB55. Put a name, the first address, motor 1, and over here under type, write UDT1. Okay. Make sure the initial value you keep it blank. So the moment you do this, you see motor underscore 1, and under the type is HMI to PLC command, which is nothing but your UDT1, which you just created. So similarly, motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, or whatever the similar applications available here, you could write the code and call UDT1 a number of times as long as these are all similar function. Now go to view, select data view. You could see right over here that under motor 1, motor 2, and the motor 10, you have all the individual data structure or the commands are available, as if those are being typed individually for each respective motor. But over here we did it only once, that is by UDT1. Now once again you can open up UDT1 to have a look into the way we have created the data structure under UDT1, and go back to DB55 to see how that UDT1 is getting reflected under each and every motor, like motor 1, 2, and 10. And you can always switch between data view and declaration view. Data view will give it in details about the data structure. Declaration will give